All right, so as we walk to the computer, I want to drop a little disclaimer. I only learned this software over last weekend. We have not done our official training yet with SolidCAM, and I cannot believe how easy this software was to learn. Everything I'm about to show you is impressive, but the fact that I could teach myself this software as quick as I did is by far the most impressive part. So let's dive into it. All right, first things first, take a look at this. SolidCAM is inside of SolidWorks. So normally with CAM softwares, you need another CAD software to draw your parts, and then your CAM software programs it. Well, with SolidCAM being inside SolidWorks, that completely alleviates that problem. To check out our simulation, one thing that I think is kind of cool about this is I click Setup, hit V, and you'll get this simulation menu. Now what's cool is you have the turning simulation, which just shows basic turning. So like, you know, if I want to watch like your regular, just simple 2D, no nonsense kind of simulation, I can just pop into this real quick and check it out. Or if I want to take it to another level, I can hit stop. Let's go to our machine simulation and actually watch the cool, full-blown simulation of our machine run. But yeah, we got our milling going on down here, just like in the machine. We have our turning going on over here. Speed that up so you can get to the milling. You can see the milling just like we did in the machine. Here's our pocketing. And some of the cool things about SolidCAM too, I'm gonna finish up on here, is how easy the machine is to set up.